Alright folks, here's the oil change of the Bilt TB475SS. Warmed it up a little bit in the garage. I don't even smell any fumes. I don't. So I'll get this moved. And all you do is you take it, tilt the nuts back. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's filthy, that is. It's milky oil. I have an oil can with some 30 watt oil that I used. Shake it all out. Make sure it's catching it. There we go. Shake all that out. It's going to flow off. I don't have anything to say about it. Now, since I don't have any 30 weight, and this only takes 100 mils of oil, yeah, that's it. Okay. Whew. Look how dirty that is. It's not clean at all. There we are. Just a minute. There we are. You see it's still dripping on. You'll see me use an oil can in this. Don't worry about it. It has 30 watt oil, which I can use. Let's take this. Okay. I move my Corvette books back so they don't get wrecked. It's dripping a little bit. Turn the pipe in a little bit. I'm going to use this whole thing up. This is fresh oil too, fresh 30 weight. Wow, this is a really handy tool. There we are. Pretty yucky oil. Okay, now we'll do a check. See where the oil is. There's a little more. This looks like not even a. There we are. Let's see. Perfect. Just like that. Oh crap, I got oil on my damn shirt. Fuck. Oh well. That's all there is. So, hope you enjoyed the video. That was 2008 Ford F450 V8 speaking. Let's say it again. 2008 Ford F450 V8 speaking. And there's the Bilt TB475SS to the fresh oil change. So take care. Have a nice day. Bye.